Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you choose one reward. Let's climb milestone rewards in mystery signings event of FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this mystery signings banner. And as you can see, we already uncover and I already choose one of the player. I choose Julian Brandt because I need him to exchange with the better OVR. Of course I don't need him to my formation. So this one, milestone, get 3 mystery players to choose 1 milestone reward. So I already got 3 of mystery players. I already signed 3 mystery players, so it's been 3 weeks. So this milestone reward will open if you claim 3 mystery players, if you sign 3 mystery players. This is for the details. So the rewards contains a 1 mixed version player with 90 OVR and 2 untradeable. This is rank up player. If you need this, or if you need rank up your player, you need this card, Javier Mascherano, especially with player that had 90 until 99 OVR. So you get 2 rank up universal rank players, and in the middle you got 1 mixed version player but untradeable, and of course with a rank up player, 1 Mascherano and 2 Jersey Dudek and 500,000 coins. And the last one is 1 a Jersey Dudek and 1 Mascherano with 93 untradeable mixed version player. So please choose wisely. If you're lucky, you can get one of this player. So in this case I need 2 Mascherano because I want to rank up my player. So the 90 OVR player I can use for exchange. Just tap this free button. Let's see who we got. So we got a player from Argentine with striker position, play for Inter Milan. We get Lautaro Martinez with the golden frame. He is part of Team of the Week. Team of the Week 24 player. So good luck, choose wisely your reward. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.